guys, hope you're well. Okay, it's another video today. I'm just hoping to get filled here. Just sent a message out to the group to get in at 298, 299 on Binance Coin. I should be filled about now. There I are. Come on, 298, 17% filled. Okay, so just a few. Yeah, okay, just filled on BNB. Coming on to the end of the March now, I do think BNB is going to go to about $500. A few reasons why. I do think we're going to catapult out of this 300 region here. We're going to act like a coiled spring. It's sort of going to be, where is that? It's sort of going to be this level here. When we finally got to this sort of meandering top earlier today, we saw a pullback from 274, then 275 neckline was taken out. And why that 275 neckline is crucial is because of this. There's a lot of action in and around that level. Now, as you can see here, 275 down here. I'm going to draw a line there actually, just to show you. 275, just there. All right, so we put that right across the line, 275 pretty much. All right, now this 275 neckline, as you can see, this 275 neckline is crucial. It saw a big rally up through, then exhausted and came back, and it's seen a lot of support and resistance. The market's come back, hesitated, come back up after bottoming out, bounced straight back off, failed the next time, come back up, meandered in and around this line, used it as support, back below, bounced off the moving average, back above, failed, back above, failed, and it's been trying to get past there recently over the last few weeks. And finally now today it's at that other one, as I showed you on the 15-minute chart just now. It failed, came back off, and then pretty much, you know, an hour or two, well, several hours, 6-7 hours ago now, this is a 4-hour chart, earlier today, sort of 2 p.m. UK time, the market burst up through there. And that's what I like. It's now, you know, coming up to 20 to 6, and it's looking good, guys. Okay, I don't think it's a fake out. I do not think it's a fake out like this. I do think we've seen a bottom here. Okay, we've seen a lot of green volume here, a lot of green buy-in, guys. Okay, a lot of green action. This bottomed out in the 220s. We've seen it bottom out here before. This is where it picked up aggressive buy-in here back in on the 19th of Feb, before, you know, pretty much a lot of cryptos topped out sort of later on 23rd, 20, that 21st, 22nd weekend, remember? And that's what I believe. So I do think there's big aggression there at 275, and I do think there's a nice sentiment here as well at 225. That's its original sort of support resistance. Now we've bounced off there, broke the neckline of 275. I say neckline, it's more of a support resistance area, very crucial sentimental area. And now I think we're just, you can see this other, it's made another green candle now. It's got a nice, again, a nice wick on here on the red candle, came back off, and it made a nice tail here on the green. So we're going to break out, guys, here, heading towards, I'd say, we could estimate anything here, to be honest. I definitely think we're targeting 350, but which is previous highs, by the way, 349. But I do think we could target 450, no problem. I do think we're going to get now a couple of weeks of rallying into April. I do think we're going to get a melt up, possibly in the markets as well. I do think we're going to see that. It's ripe, it's ready. Stimulus is in the US. You know, a lot of bad news has come out other than that. And it's been unable to really push the sentiment down. And cryptos have had their little pullback, I believe. If we just go on BTC here for a moment, I'll just show you here. I do think we've seen that pullback, as we saw here, that final pullback down to that 61.8 level, as I spoke about in a previous video. Here right now, we've seen that pullback down to sort of 50,500, 400 on the, what was it on Bitcoin? 50,427. You can see in the top left corner, the low 50,000 50,427, and we're now staircasing higher. I do think, again, like Binance Coin, when we break out of this neckline of 60,000, well, already here, really, actually, 58,695. This is pretty much where we're at. We just saw Binance at sort of 275, then 290, come back off, tested 300. Now it's heading back to test that again. I do think we need to retest this sort of 59 level. It's spot on this 58.6 level, which is that support resistance area here. Big sentimental level for Bitcoin, a nice round average figure over the last month or so. Once we break that, I think we'll easily take out 62,000, which is previous highs. All right, guys, or 61, whatever it was, 61. Yeah, it was around 61.9 or something, wasn't it? Anyway, yeah, so that's where we are. Let's see. I'm now in Binance Coin. The guys are jumping in on Binance Coin as well. Did that all fill, by the way? It all filled at 298. Yeah, it's a bit of a weird one, this. We don't normally do this. We normally wait for cryptos to come back off 10, 15% and get back in. Sometimes as less amount as 5, 8%, sometimes 25 plus. But we're getting back in here now. Actually getting on Binance Coin here. With it breaking out, about to break out. So it's a new one for us. We've not got in Binance Coin before, but I've been eyeing it up for weeks now. Sorry, for the last sort of 10 days, 2 weeks. So I do think it's a nice one. I didn't want to get in here because I didn't know if it was going to head back down below 200 because I've never traded it before. But to be honest with you, my indicators was telling me this was over sold here. And I should have listened to it and sort of, got back in on sort of 235, 245. But I do like the extra confirmation here that it's broke out above 275. So sometimes I do take that extra K. And as I say, guys, we give some away. We leave some on the table, as the saying goes in the market. All right. So the same with Bitcoin. I've got back in at a very, 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 very low level with Bitcoin. After getting out to sort of 57, 58, up around this level, bottomed out, got back in here. I had a position that didn't get filled. I was looking to get back in here at sort of 52. I put my limit in at 51,780. It didn't get filled, unfortunately. Very annoying. I was looking to put on another 0.45 point. It was like, just about 50%, 0.43. It was a bit more then because obviously the price was less. So it was 50%, it was about 0.45 Bitcoin. So that's annoying. I would have had over half a Bitcoin following this up since 52,000. So I'd have made, a nice 3-4 grand extra there. But I'm going to get in on a breakout above 60 and add 25% each time. So a 0.2 of a Bitcoin roughly each time. Because I'll be confident then by the time we get to 65 that we are going to burn up, melt up in fact to sort of 75, 85, possibly 95,000. But getting in at these high 50s, low 60s, I don't think is a bad thing. All right? So I think I'll make back what I've missed out here on Bitcoin. Got less than 5.5K in the game on Bitcoin here leveraged. It's tiny position for myself, but we shall see going forward. I'm not too bothered right now. Other than that, guys, one more I want to share is Theta. We've looked at this before, 1288. This is going to break out again. It's held well. We had that shuffle out, those weak hands getting flushed here at 1041, only for it to rally up 1386. A small flush out again to 1250s. A few clients have been emailing in saying, Matt, are we going to hold Theta? The answer is yes here. We're not getting out. We got out here originally after it topped out at nearly $15. We got out just below 1350 and enjoyed getting back in here, just over 1150. So I was confident this bottomed out here at 1040. What did it bottom out at here? 1035. And yeah, just over 1150. So we're good. We're in profit. But hold on. Patience here is key because this is going to rally up quick. $20, $25 plus, so we'll get rewarded there. We'll look then, guys, later in April, possibly the second, third week of April, to get out. All right, bank our profits and look for that next retracement, the end of April, which I don't know the date yet. As you know, guys, I know sort of 5-7 days in advance. It's too early to tell just yet. All right, that's a nice one there. I'll leave it there. God bless you guys. See you on the other side. Thank you.